I'm Anil Kumar sharing with you an application question where we will apply the factoring of cubic expression. Now there are two questions which are very much related, which I'm going to solve. The first one is, find the value of k if x cubed plus 15 equals to x plus 3 times x squared minus 3x plus 9 plus k. Very similar to this is a practice question for you, which says find the value of k if x cubed plus 6 equals to x minus 2 times x squared plus 2x plus 4 plus k, right? So there is very minor difference between the two. They are kind of similar questions. One is for your practice. You can always pause the video and solve the questions. Now to begin with, let me remind you the formulas. If I have a cube plus b cube, right, how do you factor this? The formula is a plus b times a squared minus ab plus b squared. So that is how you factor sum of cubes, correct? Now difference of cube, how do you factor that? For that the formula is kind of similar. Let me just put it here. If it is a cube minus b cube, then this becomes operator becomes minus instead of plus, and here we get positive, right? So that is a formula for a cube minus b cube. So if you use this formula, these questions are pretty simple. Okay, so you can pause the video now, answer the question, and then look into my suggestion. Now the question here is, let's read again. Find the value of k if x cubed plus 15 equals to x plus 3 times x squared plus 3x plus 9 plus k. Now this product is basically, if you check with the formula, is sum of cubes, right, which is x cubed plus 3. Do you agree with me? So we could write this as x cubed plus 15 is indeed equals to all this is basically the expansion for a cube plus b cube, right, which is equal to a plus b times a squared minus ab plus b squared, correct? So I could combine, or I could write this as sum of cubes, so which is a in this case is x and b is 3. Is that okay? So it could be written as x cubed plus 3 cube, right? And then we have plus k here. Is it okay? So that is the first step. Now to find the value of k, x cube cancels, and you can bring 3 cube is 27. So we could write this as 15 equals to 27, which is 3 cube plus k, or you can say k is equals to 15 minus 27. Is it okay? So that is how you can actually solve this question, right? So we have 15 minus 27 equals to minus 12. So we get k equals to minus 12 for this particular question, right? So at this stage, we just cancelled x cube and x cube and simplified, right? So that is how you could solve this question. Now this one is exactly same. You can pause the video and answer this question. To begin with, on the left side, we have x cubed plus 6. That is equals to x minus 2 times x squared plus 2x plus 4 plus k. When you multiply these to expand and simplify, you will get x cubed minus 2 cube, okay, minus 2 cube. And we have plus k here, x cube and x cube cancel out, right? So you have 2 cube is 8, so write minus 8 plus k. Bringing 8 to this side gives us 6 plus 8 equals to k, and that is 14, right? So k equals to 14. So that is how you could solve it. So I've taken up this example just to remind you that it is important to remember this formula, how to factor sum of cube and difference of cubes. I hope you understand and appreciate it. Thank you and all the best.